Imagine having an AI version of yourself that can talk, create videos, answer people, and even work while you sleep. Sounds like the future, right? Well, that future is already here. AI clones are changing content creation forever, but most people build them the wrong way. In this video, I'll show you the exact process to create a realistic AI clone that looks, sounds, and behaves just like you. The first step: record videos from different angles and expressions so your AI can learn how you move, speak, and present yourself on camera. This helps build a realistic avatar that truly represents you. Now comes the most important part: training your personality. Teach your AI how you think by feeding it your writing style, common responses, and personality traits. This gives your AI clone your unique behavior and communication style. Finally, connect everything together: your voice, your face, and your personality. Once combined, your AI clone becomes a powerful digital version of you that can create content, interact with people, and work 24/7. This is not just an AI tool. It's your digital future. Subscribe for more AI tools and future tech content.